Hello friends, welcome to Explore YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial video, we will be going to learn about two steps where we have to find out multiple column values by using only single time VLOOKUP function and formula, as well as who is the boss of VLOOKUP when it doesn't work for specific reasons. So we have to find out these two things which are quite handy in your career growth as well as opportunity for you to get ahead of your colleagues. We have a small data over here which has provided information from ID to personals. Then there is a sales for quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the region is being provided over here. So right now you can see here we have to find the information for these few IDs, and information should display over here in the blank areas. Similarly, we have to find out information for regions, and here you will be learning about three formulas. Now we'll be starting from here: equals, if error, click tab. Then we'll be using VLOOKUP, click tab, and the VLOOKUP value should be J5 cell, and then we put comma over here, and the table array has to be this from B4 until H9. Then we have to put comma here, and the information for sale of quarter 1 lies in the column number 1, 2, and 3 in the third column. So we put 3 over here, then put comma, then put 0, and now we have to close the bracket, and we again put the comma, and we put not found. When? Because we have been using if error over here in case the information is not being found. So we hit enter, and okay, then what we have to do, we just drag it down, and you can see here we have found information here for sale of quarter 1. What happens when you have to find out multiple column information instantly by using only VLOOKUP for once? Just copy this formula, and we start again from here for sale of quarter 1. We just paste it. You have seen I have mentioned the same information, but what happens when I drag it to the right side? Will I find the right information? No, we haven't find. So this has disrupted our whole information instantly. So how we can find out? Where we have mentioned the column number 3, we just backspace, and we start using another formula here, columns. And now the sale of quarter 1 lies from ID to here up to these headings. We just select them, and now what we have to do is we have to use dollar reference. Friends, if you don't know how to use dollar reference, please watch my video on dollar reference. I have to press F4 here to lock the column, and then I have to lock this information as well. Then I have to lock before the first part of the column array, and close it with bracket and hit enter. Now what we have to do is we have to just drag it down and drag it to the right side. Now you can see here instantly I have found information for sale of quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. If I change the value from here 3 to 2, will it change? Yes, it has changed, and you can see here in quarter 1 sale is 2000, then 2500, then 3000, and then 3500. In the second step, I set boss of VLOOKUP when it doesn't work for specific reasons. Why it happens so? Reason being, VLOOKUP always work from left to right. It doesn't work from right to left. But here, how we can find out this information as well? So we'll be using IFError index match function here, equals IFError tab, and now we'll be using index function tab. Index what? Index this information, and then put comma here, then match, then we click tab, match what? Match J12 where the region name is being mentioned and where these region are mentioned. So these are mentioned here in column H4 to H9. Then we'll be going to use match function here, tab, and the lookup value this time is sale of quarter 1, and it has to be lookup over here in this row of B4 until H4. Put comma over here and 0 for exact match, then close the bracket, and this time we put comma and again not found in case the information is not being available, and close the bracket. So we have filled the formula right, and we just hit enter, and I just drag it down, and you can see here the information is being provided. But what happens if you have to find information instantly from right to left, then how we can use this? So we just click over here again and just copy the formula and put it over here, as it is same information for sale of quarter 1. So what we have to do is we just come over here and we lock it with dollar reference by pressing F4, and we just need to lock this column. So we press once, then press twice, then press thrice, and then we have to lock this range as well. And now we have to lock the row. So we put F4, then again another row is being locked, and we just lock this range as well. And now we just drag it down and drag it to the right side, and you can see here the save for quarter 1 to quarter 4 for south is being presented here, and it's been correct as well. Friends, that's where you can use these three formulas, if error with VLOOKUP, index and match, to bring up your skills to the next level. Now friends, you like this video, please like, share and subscribe Explore YouTube channel so I can bring up more videos for you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you friends.